Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, where we break down the latest and greatest in musical gear. Today, we're diving into the Remo P30110-BP coated Powerstroke 3 drumhead, a top choice for drummers looking to elevate their sound. Stick around as we explore what makes this drumhead stand out from the rest. The Remo Powerstroke 3 is renowned for its exceptional balance of tone and response. Crafted with a single-ply 10mm coated film and featuring a 3mm inlay ring, this drumhead delivers focused, warm mid and low-range tones that are perfect for a variety of musical styles. Let's talk features. The Powerstroke 3 is equipped with a specially designed inlay ring, which not only enhances durability but also provides enhanced control over the drum's overtones. Whether you're a studio musician or playing live gigs, this drumhead ensures consistent performance and a rich, resonant sound. In terms of performance, the Powerstroke 3 excels across the board. It's designed to offer optimal tone control, making it suitable for both tom-toms and snare drums. Drummers will appreciate its versatility and reliability, allowing for smooth transitions between different playing dynamics. Built to last, the Remo Powerstroke 3 features high-quality materials including acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, ABS, and hardwood components. This not only enhances its durability but also contributes to its balanced sound profile. To sum it up, the Remo P30110-BP coated Powerstroke 3 drumhead is a must-have for any drummer serious about their sound. With its superior tone quality, durability, and versatile performance, it's easy to see why this drumhead is a favorite among professionals and amateurs alike. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Let us know in the comments what you'd like us to review next. Until next time, keep rocking.